Hey man, well that was a lot of work. 7, 8, 9 is what we pixie dusted, and that was a lot of work. There was a lot of fish finders on those 3 floors. That probably took us over an hour and a half to go through all that. But we're gonna have a great video. All you guys that got pixie dusted by us, you're gonna be on our channel. Your door is gonna be on our channel. It's gonna look cool. I've never done that one before, so we decided to do that on this cruise. It's just a larger ship. Pixie dusted everybody's door, took pictures of them. So hopefully your door is one of the ones that ends up on our channel. We'll see. 7,500. So fish front. Chances are we won't get nothing in the fish front because we're at the very front of the ship. Here we go. They're gonna get a gift.
And there's a Parker.
Abby and Parker.
So I need a boy.
That's a boy and a girl. Looks like definitely a boy and a girl. Abby and Parker. Room 7086. Welcome to ChaChingDream.com. All right. Room 7092, Zimmer. They established in 2018. Welcome to ChaChingDream. All right. Happy birthday to somebody. Room 7118. Welcome to ChaChingDream. You just got gifted and pixie dusted. See you later. It's room 7172. Charlie. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream. Hope we see you on the website. Alright, room 7174. Amara and Madeline. Martha. Amanda, Grace, you just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. There's your door. All right, room 7192. How cool is that? The Roberts family. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. You're on our channel. There's your door. Right, room 7194. We got pin traders. What do we got here? We got Jack. We got, I think that's Julia, Jennifer, Jeff. We got Shade. 7194. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. You're on our channel. Smile. Right, Grandma and Grandpa, room 7686. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. There's your door, Grandma and Grandpa. Hope you had a good cruise. See you on the channel. Alright, room 7684. Ruben, Marcus, and Katie. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Hope you had a good cruise. Right, room 7682. How about that? Wano and Jeno. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Hope we see you on our channel. Hug someone you love. Alright, room 7672. You just got pixie dusted. Alright, look at this room 7668. Once upon a time, Anna and Emily. It's your birthday. 2 days until your birthday. Happy birthday, guys. You're on our channel. Smile. Hope you had a good cruise. Alright, room 7654. The Jones family. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Hope you had a good cruise. We'll see you on our channel. Bye. All right, room 7648. Look at your door. How pretty. ChaChingDream.com. We just pixie dusted you. Hope to see you on our channel. Hope you had a good cruise. See you later, 7648. All right, 7634. ChaChingDream on YouTube. Hope you had a good cruise. Just got pixie dusted. Bye. 7626. Cool door. We've seen you 3 or 4 times. We just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream. Right, 7614. Look at you. You're a pin trader too. How about that? We don't trade pins, but we just pixie dusted you. Hope you had a good cruise. Hope you find our channel. Cool room. 7614. Check it. The Shoe Family. 7604. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream.com and on YouTube. See ya. Right, 7598. What a cool, it's your first cruise. Wow, it's your first cruise. This is our 10th. You just got pixie dusted. Nice little fish finder. You guys got it going on for your first cruise, guys. Awesome. 7659. 7596. And I said the last one wrong was 7594. 98. This is 7596. These look like the same family. Maybe it's my birthday. Cruising with my Mickey, the Meredith family. Ladies and gentlemen, you just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Find us on YouTube. I'll see you later. 7590. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Alright, 7588. Somebody else's birthday. We got a lot of birthdays going on the 7th floor, guys. Beautiful fish finder. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream on YouTube. Hope to see you there. Cheers. 7576. Guess what? Your door's gonna be on YouTube. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream. 7574. In vacation mode. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream on YouTube. Hopefully we'll see you there. Cheers. Check it out. Room 9101. And yes, we got pixie dusted by you in the elevator. We didn't forget about you. We really only had kid stuff, but we left you the best we could. Room 9101. You're on our YouTube channel. Hope you had a good cruise. Hug someone you love. Peace. Peace. Room 9076. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream on YouTube. Hope you had a good cruise. Bye. Room 9064. Oh, it's your first Disney cruise in 2022, so you... This is 2024, so I hope it's at least your second, huh? You just got gifted and pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. Hope you had a good cruise. See ya. Room 8574. There's your door. You just got pixie dusted. Hope you visit our YouTube channel. Hope you had a good cruise. Peace.
Hey!
Room 8590, Gene.
Sorry.
ChaChingDream, you just got pixie dusted. Alright, Cartuna Matata. I met you upstairs. We came by to pixie dust your door, but you don't have a fish finder, but man, look at that art. You're gonna make our channel. What a great artist you are.
Awesome artist.
Ladies and gentlemen, I met this guy. I can't remember his name, but
There's his
CartoonandMatata.com. No Worries Art Entertainment. The guy's a fantastic artist. Look at this. I met him. He said he was looking forward to meeting me, and he found me. So there you are, guy. You're on our channel, room 8660. All hands are on. Cartoon and Matata. Cheers, man. All right, room 8679. The Conleys. You just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream. You're gonna be on our channel. Smile. There's your door. All right, room 8188. Orlinski's Sisters Cruise. All right, the sisters are having a good time. Christina and Andrea. Guess what? You're on our channel now, in your door. ChaChingDream on YouTube. Disney Cruise Line. Hope you had a good time. Bye. All right, room 8184. Sanders, I think it says here. Fantasy, Wish, Dream, Magic, Wonder. Guess you've been on all of them like us. From Virginia. We're from Texas. Hope you had a good cruise. You're on our channel. ChaChingDream. See you later. Cheers. All right, room 8170. Oh, we got Buffalo fans here. How about that? Buffalo Bills, ladies and gentlemen. Fell a little short in getting to the Super Bowl this year, but good team nonetheless. Good quarterback for sure. You just got Pixie Dustin gifted ChaChingDream. You're on our YouTube channel. Peace. Room 8124. You just got Pixie Dustin. You're trading pins. Frankie and Kathy. Welcome to our channel, ChaChingDream. On YouTube. Hope you had a good cruise. Alright, room 8122, the Kennedys. There's your door. Cruising with the Kennedys. Cool fish finder, guys. One of the cool ones I've seen here. You'll see them all. They're on our channel. ChaChingDream. Peace. Alright, room 8104. Happy birthday to you. Look at your fish finder. How cool is that? Just got pixie dusted. Peace. Okay, room 8076. There's your door. You're on our channel. Just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream on YouTube. Disney Cruise Line. See you later. 8070. Look at your door. The Dungy family. Tommy, Ellie, and Matt. You guys just got pixie dusted. You're on our channel. ChaChingDream. Hope we had a good cruise. Peace. 060. We stayed in this room the first time we were on the fantasy, believe it or not. The Klein family. Hey, you just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream.com. Hope you had a good day and a good cruise. Peace. 040, there's your door. You're on our channel. You just got pixie dusted. Cheers. 038, there's your door. You're with them. Hey, you both got pixie dusted. You're on our channel, guys. ChaChingDream. Hope you had a good cruise. Peace. 8018. The Buttcamp family. Dawn, I think that's Ashton and Bella. You are on our channel. Just got pixie dusted. ChaChingDream. Cheers. Alright, look at this. Star Wars. Group room 8016. You just got pixie dusted. You're on our channel.
Thank you.
ChaChingDream. Cheers. Alright, room 8012. You just got pixie dusted by ChaChingDream. You're on our channel. Peace. Room 8010. You just got pixie dusted. OCR crew. ChaChingDream. Hope you had a good cruise. Cheers. That was a whole suitcase full of gifts that we brought. I mean, a whole big suitcase. So it took us a good long while to dump all those off in those fish finders. I'll tell you that. Poor Diane went and got us something to drink. I think she had to go to the other side of the ship. My goodness. I don't know where she went to. So hopefully you got one of our gifts. Hopefully you're on our CR channel. Get to see your cruise in all its glory. We're on the 11th floor right now getting something to drink. Of course, we ate at Remy for brunch. So we don't really need to eat lunch. I don't even know what time it is. I'm guessing it's 4:30 maybe. I have no clue what time it is, but I tell you what, it's a lot cooler out here than I would imagine it would be down here this far south, but it's kind of cool. It feels like it's in the upper 60s, low 70s. I don't know, somewhere in there like that. Oh, here comes our drink. All right.